Hello everybody. In this video, I am going to give an update on my portfolio and show you all of my positions. Let's get started. So right now my portfolio is worth $91,395.41. For the first time in a while, I've had a huge green day. The market's been crashing, but finally I found some relief. Although I'm not really sure if the pain is over yet, but at least today was green. Anyways, in the past year, I am down $26,535.48. Year to date, I am down $59,091.54. And like I mentioned earlier, today was a green day for me. I was up $7,605. So although things have been crashing a lot lately, I mean, in the past week, I was down $26,000. In the past month, I'm down $48,000. So things have been crashing hard. But at least for today, I didn't get margin called. That was something that I was worried about because the last video I made during the overnight hours, it seemed like it was crashing a lot to the point where I had to worry if I was going to get margin called, but thankfully today was green and I was able to avoid that. Alright, let's go over my positions. For my options, I'm selling Amazon $185 covered calls. This is a new position I just opened today. Expiration date, April 25th. My return, I am down $285. I'm selling Delta Airlines $48 covered calls. These expire April 25th. My return, $112. I'm selling Disney $102 covered calls. These expire April 25th. My return, $364. I'm selling Google $165 covered calls. These expire April 25th. My return, $3. I'm selling Robinhood $25 covered calls. These expire April 25th. My return, I am down $350. I think this was also a new position that I opened up today. I'm selling SoFi $11 covered calls. These expire April 25th. My return, I am down $64. And I think this was also a new position that I opened up today. I'm selling Target $115 covered calls. These expire April 25th. My return, $58. I'm selling AMD $95 covered calls. These expire June 20th. My return, $4,268. For my cryptocurrencies, I have Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Avalanche. For my stocks, I have 300 shares of Amazon. Amazon is at $178.99. My average cost, $226.06. My return, I am down $14,121. I have 6,400 shares of SoFi. SoFi is at $10.10. My average cost, $5.70. My return, $28,170.05. I have 300 shares of Google. Google's at $148.53. My average cost, $177.69. My return, I am down $8,746. I have 400 shares of Disney. Disney is at $84.35. My average cost, $114.49. My return, I am down $12,054.97. I have 200 shares of Target. Target is at $95.50. My average cost, $149.41. My return, I am down $10,782.50. I have 400 shares of Delta Airlines. Delta Airlines is at $38.10. My average cost, $65.76. My return, I am down $11,064. I have 400 shares of AMD. AMD is at $83.90. My average cost, $105.47. My return, I am down $8,628.92. I have 500 shares of Robinhood. Robinhood is at $36.24. My average cost, $34.03. My return, $1,103. This is a margin account. My margin total is $206,857.59. My margin used is $178,582.19. This gives me $28,275.40 in buying power. My margin status is low risk. My buffer is $13,619.27. That's 14.88%. And as long as I stay above a 5% margin buffer, then I'm considered low risk. Once I go below 5% buffer, then I'm high risk. But for now, I'm above the 5% buffer. The annual interest rate that I'm paying is 5.25%. The daily interest that I'm paying is $24.79. And I'm using $1,000 of margin interest free. So some new positions that I opened up today. Amazon $185 covered calls. So Amazon is at $179 right now. So this is above its current price. So we'll see what happens. And I chose an expiration date that's similar to a lot of other positions I have, which is the 25th of this month. Another one was SoFi. I opened up a SoFi $11 covered call. Right now SoFi is at $10.10. Usually I would choose something higher, but because things are crashing right now, I'm not sure if the pain is over or if SoFi is going to go down further. So I feel like $11 was enough for me to have some room to get some profit in case it goes up, but then to protect myself from like a huge crash. Not too much, because really I'm only getting, what was it? Average credit was only 44 cents. So it's not too much protection, but at least I get something out of these covered calls in case SoFi crashes down some more. And these expire same day as everything else, the 25th of this month. And then lastly, I think this is a new one. Robinhood $25 covered calls. I bought 500 shares of Robinhood. Right now it's at $36. And I'm selling an in the money covered call. So Robinhood is currently above $25 per share. So if things stay the way they are at expiration, then my shares of Robinhood will get called away. If Robinhood crashes down below $25 per share, then I will keep my shares of Robinhood and make money off of these covered calls. But I did the Robinhood position, just so I can get a little bit of something from the premium. So average credit was $10.55. Break-even price was $35.55. My average cost for the 500 shares I bought today was $34.03. So if Robinhood stays above $25 per share, at expiration, it would be the same as me selling them for $35.55. Now, as for whether I got margin called, obviously I didn't, because instead of it being another huge red day, today was actually a green day for me. So if you look at the buffer, I still have a 14.88% buffer. That's around $13,000. So if tomorrow, for example, it goes down 20%, then I will be below my buffer. But for now, I'm staying above it, and I avoided the margin call. But there's really no telling what's going to happen in the coming days and weeks. But for now, at least, I've got some room to breathe. I've got some relief. As for my next plans, I mean, all of these expire on the 25th. Most of them anyways, all except my AMD, which expires in June. But everything else expires on the 25th, so we'll just have to keep an eye out and see what happens from now until the 25th. And right now, everything is below the strike price, except for Robinhood, which is above the $25 strike price that I chose. And yeah, we'll go on from there. But for now, this is pretty much it for my update. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me go over my portfolio and my positions. Thankfully, I did not get margin called today, but who knows what will happen. I'll keep on making more updates so you guys can see what's happening with my portfolio. But for now, this is pretty much for this update. Alright, if you guys like this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll keep on making more of these videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.